The internet is full of opportunities, and there are many side hustles you can start today to make money online. But the one I am going to talk about today does not require any skill to learn, and it's easy to start. But first, let me tell you something about myself. My name is Saklan, and I have been working in this industry from past 7 years. And my first store generated over $1 million sales through dropshipping in 2018. The side hustle I am going to share with you today has already made over 10K for me in past 60 days. And let me tell you one thing very clear. All the information I share on this channel is completely free and transparent. And in return, I only ask you to like the video and subscribe the channel if you get the value. Now the side hustle I am going to share with you today is print on demand business. This is a simple business model in which you sell trending products on different platforms, and printing company takes the responsibility to print, package and ship your orders to customers. Let me explain to you in more details how this business model actually works. Okay, so first we will choose a platform, and when I talk about platforms, there are few which are most popular for the business. At the top we had the Etsy. Etsy is the most famous platform for handmade and print on demand products, and in this video I will show you some real examples how you can build your own Etsy brand. And beside Etsy, we have other platforms as well. Second most popular platform for a print-on-demand business is Merch by Amazon, and this also works on same model as Etsy. That means you have to put your designs on already available products, and Amazon will take care of everything like shipping and packaging. On our list, third platform I would like to mention is Redbubble. Now again, as I mentioned earlier, this is same platform like Etsy and Amazon. And the last platform on my list is Society6, and it is same platform like Redbubble, and it has almost 300k creators. And your job is to just upload design on these platforms, and these platforms has already millions of customers who are looking to buy your products. And only you have to make sure you are doing better SEO of your products by adding the keywords in title and description. And I will explain later how this actually works for Etsy. Lastly, you can use Shopify to build your own print-on-demand business, but you have to drive traffic to your store by yourself, because Shopify is a website that allows you to create your own custom domain, and you can also connect different payment gateways with it. So let me explain quickly how it works. First, you go to shopify.com and sign up for a free trial. And then you integrate a printing company by going directly into app section. And there are two companies which are most popular in that business. The first one is Printful and second one is Printify. Once you visit the Shopify store, you can choose anyone you like and you can install it to your store. And let me show you some examples of print-on-demand Shopify stores. The first one is Classic Dad, and you can see they are using print-on-demand business. You can visit their website and you can also check their designs. And second example is PopChart, and this website is also hosted on Shopify as print-on-demand business. So there is a major difference between all of those platforms I have mentioned earlier and Shopify. All of those platforms has millions of customers already, and their customers are visiting their website on daily basis. So you only have to put your design on products and list them on those platforms to generate sales. But if you are going to build your business on Shopify, you have to build your business completely from scratch, and then you have to buy a domain, and also you have to attach payment gateways, and at the end you have to provide customer support and drive traffic to your store to generate sales. So for all the beginners who are just starting out, I will recommend to start with Etsy. Now once you have finished sign up with Etsy, next step is to go on Printful and choose a product to sell. There are many products to choose from on Printful, but first we will look into what is best selling on Etsy. And after that we will create a design using Canva. Once our design is finalized, then we will come back to Printful to upload our design. Now I will take you to my laptop screen and will show you how you can search product on Etsy and how you can design them using Canva. So when you go to Etsy, you can see there are a lot of collections and design related to print on demand. Let's say if I search for Baba shirts, you can see there are a lot of designs coming up. Now on top of that, you will see products by sellers who are running ads to boost their listings, and they are using Etsy internal ad system. Like Etsy provides you to boost your listing on its platform through running ads. Now if you are not running ads and you want your products to appear in top search results on Etsy, you have to do better SEO. As you can see, this seller is selling mockups, and they have used keywords in their listing related to what people search on Etsy, like mockups or other keywords related to their product. So if you don't like mockups from Printful, you can also get mockups from Etsy and you can put your designs on it. And once you make a purchase, you will get a detailed download in JPG. And there are a lot of sellers who are using these mockups. And if we check the stats of this store, which is selling mockups, you can see they just launched their store in 2023 and they are already making 22K a month. So if I scroll down, there are many more and these designs are very easy to create using Canva and other free tools. And I will show later how you can do that. Now, if you look into this design and it has already over 44K reviews on this design alone. And if you visit their store, you can see a lot of other designs they are selling. And beside that, if I discuss the stats of this store, they launched in 2019 and you can see they have already generated over $6 million revenue from it. And here is the other example. You can see they are making over $7,000 every single month. Now, once you have decided what you are going to sell, make sure to build a niche around that product. And same way, if you are going to sell mugs, you can build a store around accessories niche. So there are two major factors which you have to keep in mind once you are going to design. First, you have to make sure you are not copying any brand or any slogan. And you can check copyrights from Wipo. Just open the Wipo website and go into advanced section. So here you will be able to search for any text or logo which may be belong to already registered brand. And there are also other websites which you can use to check copyright like US government website, USPTO. And second thing, while creating the design, you have to keep in mind you are going to beat the competition. That's mean you have to create something unique. So now I will share my design process with you. So let's jump to my laptop screen. There are two major ways to design. One of the way is to use free available designs and making some minor changes to it. And for that, many people are using Placeit. Placeit is a website that has tons of designs available to use and you can make minor changes like text or replacing the image. You can also hire someone from Fiverr or Upwork to create your design. And the other way is to create your own design, which I mostly prefer, and I am going to use Canva to create my design. Basically, Canva is a free tool which has millions of templates and design to use. And let me show you how you can create your own design using Canva. Okay, first we will go into create design section and then we will go into customize section. So here you can put your own width and height and it will adjust the whole section. Now as I am going to create design for kids t-shirt, so I will go back to Printful to check what size they are recommending for t-shirts. Now once I open Printful, you can see there are plenty of mockups and products are available. So I will simply go to kids clothing and then t-shirts. Let's say I want to use this mockup because it has great reviews. Now I will simply open this and then I will go into file guidelines. Finalize the size from here. Simply I will go back to Canva and after putting the dimensions which I would like to create, I will get a layout like this. Now I will recommend you to choose a color of that layout according to your product color. And by doing this, you will get the idea of your product look. So in my case, I am going to choose black background color and I will get an idea how my design will appear on t-shirt. Also on left side, you can see we have different sections. In design section, you will get all the available templates related to this size. And I can also search any specific design or templates available related to t-shirts. And next we have the element section. Here you can find videos, animations to use in your design. Now here is the important thing to remember. You can use all of these designs to sell commercially, but you have to make sure you are adding at least one element or design with it, like any text, picture or any template. And below that we have the text section to add any text, and then we have the upload section to upload any photos or any design. Now as I am going to create a design for a kid t-shirt, so I will prefer to create a design like I love my dad, the best dad in the world, or something like that. So I can grab a baby dad element from here in element section. Like for example, I like this one, and you can also adjust that in the middle or wherever you would like to. Now let me add a text. You can add a text from here, or you can also check what designs are available. So I will search if there is something which I can use. Okay, so this is the one which I think would be the best to use on black t-shirt. Now I will quickly add this to my design. So I am going to adjust the size. I am going to change the color. and then I will make sure it will adjust in a box so that it will look better on t-shirt. As you can see, after adding and adjusting all of the elements, my design is almost final. Always make sure you are adding something valuable in your design, and it will make your listing unique compared to other sellers. And after design is finalized, you can now download the design by going here and then by going into download section. Make sure you are going to download this in higher resolution for better quality of prints, and by stretching it to maximum you will get a higher quality. And then I will download that in PNG with transparent background. And now the last part is to upload that design on Printful and publish to our store. Simply go to Printful dashboard and choose the mockup you would like to use, and then click on create product template. Now you can upload your design here, and it will take some time, so after uploading is complete, simply click on apply, and after a few seconds it will look like this. And by the way, you can also adjust the size by stretching wherever you like, but make sure your design stay in the box. Now finally you can save the template, and it will take few seconds to create a mockup. And after that you can add it to your store, and you can also select your size and color. In the next step, you will also get an option to customize the mockup if you would like to change. And then at the end, by selecting all of these options, you can edit title and description. And finally, you can publish your product to your store by selecting the collection. So that's all, and congratulations for publishing your first design on Etsy. Now, as mentioned earlier, there is a lot of competition in that niche, and you have to make sure you are adding something valuable to your designs. If you will create uniqueness in your designs and mockups, of course, you will make sales. And by implementing the right strategies, as I shared the stats of sellers on Etsy, you can also make thousands of dollars every month. So I hope this video has provided you much value to start this easy side hustle. And if you would like to get free ebooks related to make money online, Shopify guide, you can check the link in description. Besides that, you can also sell digital products on Etsy. To know more how to create and sell digital products, or how you can build your own Shopify store, you can check the videos on screen. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and like the video, and I will be back with more useful content.